Again, we're looking to make as nice of opportunities as we can. So here we have almost a diamond sort of a shape, which gives us a lot of passing options here. In this case, the 2's gone wide. The 7 should tuck in a little, because there's a passing opportunity potentially here. There's a passing opportunity here. We can switch the ball to the other side and have a similar situation where we have the triangle here. If it turns out that maybe the 7's wide and the 3's in, now the triangle looks a little more like this, which is fine also. So the idea here is that we're in possession, we're making triangles, we're moving the ball from side to side, we're keeping our shape. One thing that's important is if you're a left side player, you always want to stay on the left side. If you're a right side player, you always want to stay on the right side. And if you're a central player, you really want to shift from side to side but stay in the central channels. So for instance, on the attack, 6 is a central player. Their job is to basically help with switching the ball from side to side and setting up plays forward. If they're too compressed or too out of position, then we have a gap. So it's important that they always sort of stay in the space here in front of the 4 and the 5. And their main job is going to be to swing it from side to side or set up the next pass. This way, even dropping back is fine too. 8, 7, 2, these are right side players 4. Okay, so we never go past the center line on attack or defense. We want to stay on our side. 9 is a central player in this case. Again, moving from side to side based on where the opportunity is. Might be that the ball, providing support here helps. If the 10, there's something like this, now there's a line that could go here. There's a ball that can go here, and the 9 can, be available here. So, again, we will overload a side with the central players. 6 and 9 come to this side. Now we have 6 on this side. When the ball switches over here to this side, now the 6 switches over here and the 9 switches over here. So we have an overload on this side, okay? But remember, the most space will almost always be on the opposite side from where the ball is. So we do want to find ways to switch through the middle, and this is why having positional balance is important. Okay, as we move through the midfield, everybody's pushing up. 6 is staying central on the field, central channels. 2 and 3 are still staying pushed up and staying wide. 7 and 11 can shift in and out based on sort of what's happening with play. Sometimes if the ball's received in here, it makes sense for the 7s to open up so that we have a through ball opportunity here. We do not want to start our attack unless we know we're faster than the other team. We do not want to start the attack from the midfield. We want to wait till we're through onto their half and then start our attack. So in this particular case, it's most important that we keep shape, and if we need to drop the ball back to our keeper, we do, and then we give the keeper outlets to get the ball out. So all of that's possible here. By the time we get deeper into the attacking half, the 4 and the 5 are here. The 2 and the 3 are still pushed up. The 6 is still in the central area. Now the 8 and the 10 are available to help with the attack. At this point, 2 and the 3 have moved inside slightly because it's not as important that we have width where they are. The width is here, and so the 7 and the 11 move wide as they possibly can. Creates big opportunities here. So a ball that's here maybe gets put here. We have an opportunity here. We have a through ball opportunity here. We have a way to combine right here and right here. So